Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Green leafy vegetables are great for our health and we must incorporate them in our regular diet. Today I am going to share a wonderful Andhra style dal recipe with amaranth leaves. This recipe is very easy and it tastes absolutely delicious. So let's get started and check it out. I have all the ingredients required for making the amaranth dal here. Turn on the flame, take 1 cup of nicely washed tur dal in a pressure cooker. To this add 1 roughly chopped large onion. Also add 3 ripened tomatoes for adding a nice flavor. Now add 1 bunch of amaranth leaves washed and finely chopped. You can also make this dal with any other leafy vegetable if you like. Next add 5 garlic cloves, 2 slit green chillies, 2 small tamarind bits for a tangy flavor. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of rock salt and 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and mix well. Maintain the flame on low and mix, otherwise they can get burnt. Now pour enough water to make sure all the ingredients are immersed completely. Place the lid on the pressure cooker and place the weight and cook the dal for about 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and let the pressure release naturally. You can then open the lid and check. As you can see, the dal is cooked well. Give it a nice mix and mash the dal with a wooden churner. This makes the dal smooth and blend with the leaves easily. Check for seasoning at this point and add salt if required. Now for the tempering, take a pan or a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and saute until the mustard seeds splatter. Meanwhile, pound the garlic cloves gently in a mortar and keep it aside. After the mustard splatter, add 2 roughly cut up red chillies, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, pound garlic cloves and some fresh curry leaves for a nice aroma and flavor. Mix these ingredients well on low flame. Once the tempering is done, transfer the cooked dal mixture to the kadai and give it a nice mix. Now cover the kadai with the lid and simmer the dal for 5 minutes to let the flavors blend in perfectly. After 5 minutes, you can see the aroma is amazing due to the ghee and the tempering. And as you can see, the dal has thickened. So now you can turn off the heat and there you go. This delicious and tasty amaranth dal is ready to be served. You can enjoy it with some piping hot rice and ghee. This combination simply tastes heavenly. You can have some fries or fryams or papad by the side to enjoy with the dal and rice. That amaranth dal with that nice hot steaming rice and ghee tasted fabulous. It's such a healthy and wholesome dish. Now, like I said earlier, you can actually use spinach or methi leaves instead of amaranth leaves to make this dal recipe. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.